Airport card removal. To begin, get your Torx T6 screwdriver and your flathead screwdriver. To begin, get your flathead screwdriver and remove the tape covering the wires of the airport card. You will now notice the two connections leading from the LCD to the airport card. There's also a Torx T6 screw located here. Remove that with your Torx T6 screwdriver. And now remove the two connections from the airport card. Peel those back. Now remove any other tape that may be on the airport slot. Now the airport should lift up and just lift out to remove.